Hey there, today I'm going to teach you how to create a classic campaign, which means Katie will help you find your ICP. So you're going to go to the campaigns tab, then you're going to click on create campaign. And here you're going to see the different sources of your ICP. So today we're going to do the classic. Once you click there, you're going to see two ways of filling up the ICP. First, you can do it manually. If we close here, you can see that there's three different areas. We have the company profile, the contact profile, and advanced filters. If you don't want to do it manually, you can help yourself with this chat here. So for example, I can ask, add job titles related to marketing. And then I will press send. She will start sourcing that, and as you can see here, there's one apply. Now if we go open, you can see that there's all the different job titles, keywords related to marketing. If you would like to delete some of them, you can do it by clicking on the X, and you can always add more. So for example, if you want the company profile to be, let's say, in the United States, you can click it, and that's it. Once you finish adding the different fields that you need, you can go and click search. After that, you're going to see here the amount of contacts that we found based on the different ICP you selected here. You can always click on the LinkedIn of the profile to see if this type of contact matches the prospects that you're trying to reach out to. So this is the step of defining the ICP. Watch the next videos to learn how to do the pitch, touchpoints, and setup. See you soon!